officially in my iPad girl era. I just got my new iPadAir to help with creative work and personal life, and I'm so excited to set it up and make it cute. Okay, here she is, the brand new M3 iPadAir in Starlight. And of course, I had to get the Apple Pencil Pro to go with it. First thing first, she needs an outfit. I got this page case from Amazon and I think it's perfect. Super minimal, super aesthetic. Now she's looking classy and protected. Here's how it looks straight out of the box. Other than installing my usual apps, I haven't changed anything visually yet, but that's about to change. Let's customize it. Step 1. Wallpaper. I found this cute and simple background on Pinterest. To set it up, lock the screen, then wake it up without unlocking. Press and hold, tap the plus button and select the photo. Adjust the clock's font and color if you want, then click Add and set as wallpaper pair, and done. Now the default app icons are not my thing. I love a clean home screen, so we're switching them up. First, download or design the icons you want. I made mine on Canva, but you can also grab some from Pinterest. Open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus to create a new shortcut and choose Open App. Select the app you want to change, tap the down arrow and add to home screen. Upload your custom icon, rename it and tap Add. You can hide the original app now. Just make sure to create a new shortcut for each app instead of a new app within the same shortcut. Widgets make everything more fun and functional. Here's what I'm adding: my 2025 dashboard from Notion, a Google search bar for quick lookups, a cute clock widget from Flip Clock, and with Widgetsmith, I can add little aesthetic images for a cuter design. I like to keep things minimal, so I'm arranging my icons across two home screens, everything I need exactly when I need it. For the dog, I personally don't like seeing recently used apps there. It messed up my color theme, so I just hide the icons and keep it clean. And that's it, my iPad now is cute, cozy and ready to use. See you in the next one!